Take an apple and then split it in half. Damn. Then take a little bit of cinnamon and sprinkle it on it. Still going steady. And now the best part, eat it. Cheers. And it's not a joke. Seriously, do it. Be honest with me, when was the last time when you went shopping and you came out with an apple instead of a chocolate bar or other kind of candy? It was probably a long time ago, and I think that's the problem. People are absolutely sleeping on fruits. So let's compare it. You have fruits and then you have other sweets such as chocolate bars and candy in general. First, fruits, sweet, super tasty, juicy, have this nice crunch to them, and healthy, raw. And then you have candy, which is filled with artificial everything, pretty much. It's artificial flavorings, things that are meant to addict you, artificial coloring even. That's crazy. You have all these weird colors, but you can have it natural in an apple. So for the sake of your own health, I really advise you to grab an apple, give it a taste. I promise you, it's actually a game changer. You may not believe me. Do as I said in the beginning of the video. A little bit of cinnamon goes a long way here, and it makes apple the craziest culinary experience ever. All this taste, plus it's natural, and you know natural is great for you. Also, fiber and antioxidants, can't go wrong with those. Let's have a deal between each other. Grab an apple, sprinkle cinnamon on it, try it, and if it's great, come back, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel. I think that would be fair, because this will actually change your life.